Every team draws the same picture. Domain logic here, presentation there, clean layers. Then 6 months pass. Someone adds one import. Domain code now reaches into the web layer. Nobody notices in review because the diff is huge and the import is one line. The architecture you agreed on quietly dies. Merge Passport fixes this. You write your rules as code in a file called merge-passport.yml. Define your layers, declare the edges that are forbidden. Here, domain must not depend on web. From now on, every merge request needs a passport. No valid passport, no merge. Here is a merge request that breaks the rule. Domain user code now imports a web formatting helper. We mentioned the merge passport flow on the merge request. It uses GitLab Orbit to read the changed files, checks them against a policy, and answers. Fail. Forbidden edge. Domain to web. It gives the file, the line, the rule, and how to fix it. Not a chat, a decision. But the real damage is never that obvious. Watch this. 3 files. Orders imports a shared helper. That is allowed. The shared helper imports a web renderer. That is also allowed. No single file breaks the rule. A human reviewer reading any one file sees nothing wrong. A simple linter sees nothing wrong. Now we run the transitive check. Merge passport asks Orbit for the whole project import graph and walks the chains. Fail. Orders reaches web through shared. It prints the exact path across all 3 files. Source Orbit. This is the violation that single file tools physically cannot see. This is a real flow on the GitLab Duo agent platform, published to the AI catalog, public, MIT licensed. Any project in the group can enable it and get architecture enforcement on every merge request. The Orbit queries are pinned by unit tests, so the schema can never silently break. Architecture drift used to be invisible until it was expensive. Merge Passport makes your rules executable and lets Orbit enforce them on every merge request. Your layers with a passport. Thanks for watching.